Meaning of hardliner.
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 Hardliner. The term hardliner refers to a person who takes a strong, uncompromising stance on a particular issue or policy. Such individuals are often rigid in their beliefs and unwilling to compromise in negotiations or discussions. In politics, hardliners are often associated with right-wing or conservative ideologies, while in business, they may be seen as aggressive or highly competitive. Hardliners can sometimes be seen as divisive figures, but they can also be respected for their unwavering commitment to their principles. Overall, the term hardliner connotes a sense of firm determination and an unwillingness to back down in the face of opposition.